Hi guys, if you want to buy our displays, you have to look at this one. The features of EA500H7 display it is flexibility. You can shape it into special shapes such as wavy, cylindrical, or arc-shaped. There are two buttons on the handle. Simply press them to adjust the curvature. If the two cabinets don't close together, you can put little things on the upward. If you already installed the flight, you can just use this support rod. Furthermore, the module for EA500H7 rental L3 are based on GOB module, and it has a certain dustproof, waterproof, moisture-proof, and shock-proof. We also thoughtfully has the four-corner protector design, making your transportation safer. The back cover of EA500H7 rental L3 can also be opened. Makes the repairs faster and more convenient. I'm Julie. If you're really interested, please message us. Bye bye.